Electric calender. With angled and simultaneous elevation, it conforms the material through steel rollers, conferring a cylindrical shape to the sheet in flawless perimeter. Longitudinal seam connection machine. Produces a longitudinal male and female seam in spiral tubes, facilitating the joint of two parts. Seam closing machine. Quick adjustment and easy handling equipment. Operates without noise and guarantees a perfectly sealed workpiece with excellent finish. Angle roll bender. Finalizes the round duct production line with circular profile manufacturing specific for this type of duct connection. The result is a perfect round duct with optimal finish, rigidity, and stability. Manufactured through a linear and efficient production process that offers the best value for money.